Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to enable core isolation memory integrity in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable core isolation memory integrity, right click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left pane, click on Privacy and Security, then click on Windows Security and click on Device Security. Here you will find the first option, Core Isolation, and you will find an option, Core Isolation Details. Click on it. Under Core Isolation, you will find Memory Integrity. It will prevent attacks from inserting malicious code into high security process. Now it's turned off. Just click here to turn on. Now you need to restart your computer, close Windows Security, close Settings, click on Start menu, click on Power, and then click on Restart. After restarting the computer, Core Isolation Memory Integrity is turned on in Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.